Chemotherapy side effects suck. Side effects can make you feel horrible and rob you of the ability to have a normal life during treatment. When adverse effects become too much, they can result in discontinuation of an effective treatment. In the worst cases, chemo side effects can cause major harm that is long-lasting or in some cases results in death. Considering these dangers, protecting normal cells from this medication should be a top priority. In this video, we explore why chemo side effects occur and the evidence that shows high-dose vitamin C can protect the body from harm. Hello, I'm Olena Ivanova, the Medical Director of Personalized Medicine. One question we will tackle today is, why do chemo side effects occur? Well, chemotherapy is synonymous with side effects. For the same reason, it can be effective against cancer cells. Many chemo drugs focus on disrupting, damaging, and killing cells that exhibit the ability to rapidly grow and divide. This is a common trait of cancer cells, but it also is the characteristic of some normal cells. The fast-growing normal cells most likely to be affected by chemotherapy are blood cells forming in the bone marrow, cells in the digestive tract, reproductive system, and hair follicles. This impact on normal cells results in approximately 91% of patients experiencing at least one chemo side effect. Common short-term side effects from chemo include fatigue, nausea, vomiting, persistent pain, decreased appetite, increased risk of infection, mouth sores, brain fog, and sleep problems. These issues can have a major impact on quality of life and erode your motivation to fight back. However, as Dr. Mark Levine from NIH points out, high-dose vitamin C is a non-toxic method to help reduce these side effects. Dr. Levine states, IV vitamin C's ability to decrease chemotherapy-induced adverse effects should already make it a very valuable addition to chemotherapeutic regimens. And also, Dr. Levine makes an important point by stating, a reduction in toxicity would allow patients to tolerate higher and potentially more effective doses of chemotherapy. But reducing short-term side effects is only half the benefit. Studies show 2 out of 3 cancer survivors that use chemotherapy will develop at least one late effect or long-term effect from these treatments. Late effects from chemo can be quite severe and in some cases result in reduced lifespan. Relatively common late effects from chemo include heart problems that increase the risk of heart failure and coronary artery disease, lung damage that results in thickening of lung lining and breathing issues, hormone issues that impact procreation, nerve damage to hands and feet, long-term chemo brain that makes it difficult to focus and learn, chronic fatigue, and increased risk of new cancers. Now, do not misread this information. There is no question that chemotherapy has saved many people's lives. But the fact is, chemo is very toxic to the body. Patients should take every step to protect their body when using chemo medications. World-leading cancer doctors have noted that high-dose vitamin C is up to this task and should be paired with chemotherapy. Here is one example. Dr. Lewis Cantley is the former director of Cornell Cancer Center and current Harvard Medical School professor with the Department of Cancer Cell Biology. So Dr. Cantley stated in an article for the National Cancer Institute that virtually all studies show improved quality of life for cancer patients by minimizing pain and protecting normal tissues from toxicity caused by chemotherapy. Now, in addition to using IVC, it is important to shift into your healthiest lifestyle. This means eat a nutritious diet, do low to medium exercise regularly, get 8 hours of sleep, and eliminate toxic substances like alcohol and added sugar. So, to recap, chemotherapy carries the risk of many short and long-term side effects. Everyone should take steps to protect their body from this harm. When high-dose vitamin C is paired with chemo, studies show it can improve quality of life, reduce side effects, and enhance the ability of chemo to kill cancer cells. Our goal is that you found this information useful. If so, please like the video and choose to share it with others that can benefit. For those interested in pursuing this treatment, you can schedule a no-cost consultation by selecting the link to the Personalized Medicine website in the video description. If you are eager to learn more about the high-dose vitamin C cancer treatment, we recommend watching these two videos. The video on the left examines clinical studies that provide evidence IVC is effective. The video on the right explains the science behind how IVC actually kills cancer cells. We thank you for watching our video, and we wish you the best of health. Stay strong and informed.